Spring is here, birds sing a perfect melody, nature coming together, creating a wonderful symphony. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have 3 brand new Easter DIYs for you. I hope you enjoy. For the first DIY, you're going to be starting off with some frames. This is the size I'm using, 9 by 13 centimeters, and you want 4 in total. You're just going to remove the backing because we don't need that. So do that for all 4 frames and the glass. And you can also remove these little bits here with some pliers if you like. Once you've done that, you want to take some hot glue or E6000 and you're going to start arranging them like this. So you're going to add some glue here. So you can stick these 2 together and then add some glue at the bottom. So you can stick these together again, making sure that there is glue on the side here as well. So this is my structure now, all glued together. Then you want to take a container, and I've actually got this and the flowers that I'm going to use all off a website called Decor. So I will leave that in the description box if you're interested. But what you want to do is take the tray and then apply some hot glue so that we stick it to the bottom of the frame. Once you've done that, you just want to weigh it down with some stones at the bottom here so that we can add some flowers and carry on working on it. Then you go and start taking your flowers and arranging them at the base here. We're going to take a nest which I've added a little bit of moss to, and I'm just going to angle it right here on top of the flowers and then add a few eggs to it. And then I'm just adding a little bit of detail, taking some feathers and adding that to the nest. I'm taking some artificial ivy and I'm just going to hot glue it to the frame. And this is the first completed project. I really love the pastel colours as well as the bright flowers. It's just so uplifting to look at, and I really love the addition of that nest. If you enjoy beautiful and unique DIYs, make sure you click that subscribe button. And today's video is also part of the challenge hosted by Heidi Sumbul DIY, so check the description box for the playlist once you're done watching my video. For the next DIY, I am using this Easter egg bauble. I got it off Amazon, they also sell them on eBay. The next thing you want to do is go onto the internet and type in lambs or anything you want. I've decided on this cute lamb here, so I printed it onto some card. We're just going to cut it out. When you're cutting your piece out, make sure you leave a little tab at the bottom, so you don't want to cut completely all the way. You want to leave a little bit of white paper or white card so that we can stick it down using that. So you can see I've left this piece down here, and then what you want to do is bend it. So now you can see this is how we're going to stick it. We're going to apply some hot glue just at the bottom. I think I might just colour this area here so we can get rid of that white card. You want to take some flowers so that you can embellish a little piece. This is optional, so I'm just going to take this little piece off here, and then I'm just going to glue it to the side like this. I'm going to stick one piece of greenery just at the back, again using my hot glue. The next thing you're going to need is a toothpick and then some card. You can use a scrap piece if you like. You can use a Cricut or do this by hand. I am using these little stickers, and then it's up to you what you'd like to write out. I am probably going to write peace. Once you've done that, you just want to cut around it. And then you're going to take your hot glue and add a little in the centre of the little sign that we've made. And then turn it around and stick it to the toothpick in the centre. And then to make this stick a little easier, you want to remove this little sharp bit, and you can do that just with some pliers like that. Then you want to add a little bit of hot glue to the bottom. And then we're going to stick it onto the back of the lamb. And once you've done that, you're going to take your little arrangement and add it to the inside of the egg. Take the other half and close it up. And then I found this in the charity shop or the thrift store, and then I'm just going to add it to the bottom of the egg. You can use a candle holder, even an egg cup if you like. And here's the second completed DIY. I really love this. How sweet is it? It's just so adorable. I really like that this has a vintage vibe to it. For the final DIY, you want a teacup and saucer. Then you want some moss to fill the cup. I'm using reindeer moss, and I think I might go with this colour. The other one is a little dark. So as you can see, I have filled the teacup with moss. I've also added a little bit on the side, on the bottom of the saucer here. Now we are going to start accessorizing and adding in little bits. This is really fun. So here I'm using a little fence. This was also brought off the website that I mentioned earlier, Zedil. I really love it. It's got like everything for my crafting needs, and it's really inexpensive as well. And then I'm taking this rabbit, and now I think I'm going to start adding in some florals. For the florals, I'm going to be using a mix. So I've got some dried flowers here. This is baby's breath. I think I'll add some to the bottom here. I've just decided to add in some darker moss at the front because I think it was too bright for me. And now I'm taking some dried heather. We're going to add that to the back, and it matches the fence really nicely. I think I'm just going to stick with using my dried flowers and no artificial flowers. Nothing beats the real thing, huh? And look at how beautiful these are. This is in pink and that one is the orange colour. So I'm just adding more natural dried flowers at the back and using different lengths and different colours. And here's the final DIY for today. If you've been following me for some time, you'd know I really love creating little scenes in teacups and fairy gardens, and this one is no different. They're really quick and easy to put together, but they make wonderful items to sell, gift or use as decor. So here's a quick recap of all of today's projects and how they look together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed today's ideas, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Look at how cute and adorable they're being. This is actually a rare sight because his sister is usually really moody and just likes her own space.